Hey everyone, Jesse Giovinazzo here from the Beth and Ryan Waller Real Estate team over at Home Group Realty. I have another market update video for you. So as of yesterday morning, we were sitting at 292 active listings. Last week we saw 20 properties sell, with only 9% of the houses selling over asking, with an average days on market of 14. We also saw 29 listings canceled last week. So if we continue to break down into pricing categories like we've been doing the last couple of weeks, so last week's price category data shows something quite interesting. So in the 750,000 and less price point, we saw 17% of homes sell over asking, with an average days on market of 13. In the 750 to 1 million category, we saw 0 houses sell over asking, and they had an average days on market of 17. And in the 1 million plus, we saw also 0 homes sell over asking, and they had an average days on market of 13. So this is interesting. Like we've never seen 0 in any of these categories in the last couple weeks. We've seen some pretty low percentages, but nothing quite at 0. So up until last week, active listings had always increased week over week, and now we are 20 listings less than what we saw 2 weeks ago. So I wanted to take a little bit closer look into this data and kind of see if I could figure out what's happening more specifically in the market. And so I saw that of the 29 listings that were canceled last week, they had a market average, an average days on market of 41 days. And so what I think is starting to happen is sellers have had their house on the market for over a month and haven't been able to get the price they want. So they decided to do two things: either hold off on selling their home until the fall, allowing them to enjoy their summer and not have to worry about keeping their home in like the show condition, and have or they've decided to just not sell anymore. So this is where having a realistic expectation and proper pricing strategy comes into play. Sellers can't look at what houses were selling for in January and February and expect to see that kind of prices. Additionally, with the inventory being as high as it is, buyers are not interested in even viewing a property unless it's priced close to market value. As for buyers, right now is still a great time to buy. As you saw earlier, last week only 10% of homes sold over asking, so the majority of homes are selling at or below asking price. If inventory continues to decrease, we might start to see prices increase slightly. But we'll be sure to watch for this and keep everyone updated on what's happening in the market. If you have any questions or would like to talk about buying or selling your house, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd be happy to have a conversation.